Just a very quick background on how aPriori works. aPriori basically generates detailed manufacturing and cost estimates, cost data from a CAD model. It starts by extracting all the geometry that it can from that CAD model. How big is the part? How thick is it? Does it have any holes? How many holes? How big are they? Where are they? Where are they in relation to edges and each other and things like that? All that information is pulled out automatically. And once it knows that, then it goes to a virtual factory model and it starts running a manufacturing simulation. And from that, it's going to generate, the machines that it needs to use to make that part, right? What processes are required, what machines are required and sizes, what's the cycle time on each one of them, how much material is consumed, and so on. And once it has the manufacturing information, then it converts that to cost by going to a cost model that is basically regional based or your own factory based. So it knows, for example, that it costs more money in the US to run a 5-axis machine than it does in China or Mexico or India. And so it takes all those cycle times it calculated at each step of the process, and it multiplies by the appropriate labor and overhead rates for that virtual factory in that region, and comes up with cost, basically, right? So it now has basically very rich manufacturing information and cost information.